Welcome to the FACS Web Account Information Training. In this section, we will look at locating an individual consumer account, reading account notes, editing the account, and adding a note to the account. Our internet address is www.datamax.com or www.interstatecreditcollections.com. When our homepage loads, select the Client Login tab at the top of the page. When the login screen appears, enter your assigned account number and password using capital letters. Because FACSWeb is case sensitive and only recognizes capital letters, we recommend using the caps lock key when working in the system. Should you forget to use capital letters while logging into the system, you will receive a message the login attempt was unsuccessful. Simply re-enter your account number and password using capital letters. If 3 unsuccessful login attempts are made, the account number and password will be locked. If this occurs, please call ICC at 336-777-3555, extension 1585, to request your FACSWeb login to be reset. Once logged in, the HIPAA-compatible confidentiality screen will be displayed. Please read the statement carefully, and if you agree, click the I agree button below the statement. To access the Account Information section of FACSWeb, click on the Account Information tab under Main Options on the sidebar menu. Individual consumer accounts may be retrieved by searching on consumer name, social security number, client reference number, which is the consumer's account number in your office, or agency number, which is the consumer's account number used by ICC. For our purposes, we will search by consumer name, select the down arrow tab beside the name, and use your mouse to highlight the name. Enter the consumer's last name, enter a space, then enter the first initial of their first name, and press the Get Account button. FACSWeb returns all accounts for anyone with the name you entered on the previous screen. Use your mouse to click on the name of the account you wish to view. In addition to the requested account being displayed on the screen, you will notice a new section titled Page Options is now visible on the sidebar menu. This is the section that allows us to navigate through the individual consumer account. Let's take a look at notes in Tommy's Tests account by selecting the Account Notes button on the sidebar menu. Information in the first column on the screen reflects the initials of the ICC associate responsible for the note or action. The second column shows the date the action occurred or the note was added. The third column shows the time, and the last column reflects the actual note or action. Select the Back to Account button from the Page Options menu to return to Tommy's Tests account. The second button under Page Options on the sidebar menu is Edit Account. As the name implies, this selection will allow you to edit certain information in the account. Because edits made on this screen are forwarded to ICC for approval, they are not immediately reflected in FACSWeb. To edit information in the account, move your cursor to the desired field and begin typing. When you have finished, press the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Any edits will be displayed in blue on your screen. You should verify the changes are accurate and press the Save button again. FACSWeb will return a message at the top of the screen indicating your edits have been forwarded to ICC and will be reviewed. Select the Back to Account button from the Page Options menu to return to Tommy's Tests account. Next, we will add a note to the account by selecting the Add a Note button from Page Options on the sidebar menu. After selecting Add a Note, a dialog box is displayed where you type the note. When finished, press the Add a Note button. Similar to the Edit Account option just reviewed, your note is forwarded to ICC for review and won't be available in FACSWeb until they have been approved by ICC. Select the Back to Account button from the Page Options menu to return to Tommy's Tests account. The final selection under the Page Options menu is Recall Account. Selecting Recall Account walks you through the process of canceling or recalling an account, but it does not delete the consumer account from our system. In addition, There are specific guidelines surrounding reasons an account may be canceled or recalled. For these reasons, the recall account option should not be used. Reasons for canceling or recalling an account placed for collection include: the account should not have been turned over to collections, it was inadvertently turned over due to a clerical error, the consumer has filed bankruptcy, it is the wrong person, and things of this nature. If the account can no longer be re-verified. If the account is determined to be too old. If either party makes a decision to pursue legal action, the account can be canceled or recalled from collections. If you have an account which needs to be canceled or recalled, please contact a member of our client support group directly. They can be reached Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at 336-777-3555, extension 2032, or by sending an email to collections@datamax.com.